How to fix iPhone boot loop issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is facing boot loop issue, then the most effective fix for this is to force restart your iPhone. So go ahead and force restart your iPhone by simply quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button and your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and this will further help you in fixing the boot loop. So this is how you can fix boot loop issues in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.